Hello everyone, you are on the PowerCat Analytics channel, and today we will look at how to add currency rates to your daily report. So, we have a table with exchange rates for every day except weekends, and our goal is to fill in the data gaps with the last rate that was before that. Also, we have a calendar that is built based on a table with exchange rates. The date range corresponds to the smallest and largest date in the table of exchange rates. Now we simply tighten the exchange rate if the day in the calendar coincides with the day in the table with the exchange rate. And now, based on the previous column we added, we will substitute the exchange rate that was last before this. It's very simple. If the exchange rate that we pulled up in the column before is greater than 0, then we take this exchange rate. If not, then we pull up the average exchange rate where the date will be equal to the last date that we calculated in the variable maximum exchange rate date.